Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Friday, April the 16th, 2010. All right, this is the first small cap alert video. Let me explain right quick what's going on. We've made our website free now. You can absolutely go over there, get a free membership, and check out our small cap alerts, as well as check out what's in my portfolio. The only thing we ask is that you tell one person about our website. Refer a friend, basically, okay? That's all you got to do. And starting now, we're going to start covering our small cap alerts in video format as well. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll get every one of these. And they'll come out every weekend. We'll give you one small cap alert, okay? So subscribe there, all right? It helps us and it helps you. 11 days ago, we came out on the weekend and said we like to short this stock here. You had an inverted hammer here, inverted hammer here, inverted hammer here. So we wanted to short that three inverted hammers. That's really bearish. Basically, so we shorted there. We placed a stop at 1932. She never even touched that and moved on lower, bounced up, inverted hammer again, continued lower. We said we'd look for, right here, the note was look to cover when the slow stochastic indicator becomes oversold at the 20 line. We're almost there now. It's at 2384. So what I would do is simply take this stop loss limit and drop it on down there to lock in some gains no matter what. Okay, that's what I would do. If she goes lower, great. But if not, you want to be out. Basically, this is an actual bullish chart right here. If you see that you had this channel here, and she was up trending there. Okay, like so. Yeah, do it like that too. Alright, so she was just consolidating and tightening up, and then popped to the upside. That's proper growth right there. Strong move to the upside. Now some consolidation. It'd be better about the 50 point, like a retrace about 50% of it would be better. More bullish, I would say. But she could from here, especially in the current market conditions, how the market just been moving higher, ignoring sell signals, she could pop from here and attempt to move up higher as well. So rather than get stopped out and then give back all those gains you've got on the table here, 5 to 10%, just go ahead and lower that stop. And I would just basically use today's high, Friday's high, right there. Let's see what 1771. Of course, the market's not closed now, so this might alter. I mean, this is going to change before you actually see this video. So whatever the high of the day is, that's where my stop would be, basically. That's how I would do that. Before we go any further, let's also remember the disclaimer. Okay, the information provided herein is our opinion only. You got to do your own due diligence. You can read. All right. The small cap alert we issued for last weekend on Friday was a ticker symbol BVR, and as you can see, it did very well this week. Made a lot of money for our members. That's awesome. Remember, again, you can get access to all this stuff for free. Just refer one friend, and you can just, I mean, he doesn't even have to pay. Everybody's free. Just everybody's kind of giving me their unspoken uh, word of honor that they will tell one person about our services, and we will give you a free membership. Yeah, baby! All right, so we were recommending short here. We had to short here simply because it was showing signs of potential to drop lower, even though we weren't getting a lot of sell signals. And this is pretty strong, actually. Not that the trend is strong, but the fact that it's been doing this for so long, it could have just kept doing it. The reason why I shorted here is because there was potential with this candlestick right here, uh, showing bearish signal, and being that it was just slightly over $5 a share, you had to get in there or miss it. If it fell under 5, you would not be able to get in. Most brokers won't let you short a stock that's under $5 a share. So we wanted people in there, and that worked out just fine for us. We also said look for the cover at the 20, the slow stock hitting the 20 line. We're there now, so you're looking to cover. If you didn't cover today sometime, the only other reason you shouldn't have covered is what's looking really bearish down here. See this substantial sell volume? Yeah, that's really not good for bulls at all. What I would do though, instead of just saying I'm going to keep going, it's going to keep falling, instead of just being blind like that, I would go ahead and just lower my stop to lock in some gain no matter what happens, okay? And I would use today's high of this candlestick. If that, I might even take more of that, it's up to you, but worst case scenario, your stop should be at today's high of 4.99. So if she hits $5 a share, you should be long gone. Okay, and that's how I would play that. If she keeps going lower, just keep dropping that stop. Okay, to the previous high of, or to the next day's high, and keep going down until she breaks you out, and then you just get out of it altogether. Okay, that's another great call. We have another one for you this weekend. It'll be in video format, but the main thing to take away from this is that I want everybody lowering those stops. Okay, if you don't do that, you kind of set yourself up for failure potentially on a market the way it is behaving, how it's been advancing, advancing, advancing. Yeah, we don't like that. So I want everybody to lower those stops whenever you get when it starts moving in your favor. Okay. Again, please go to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. We need you to do that. It helps us when you do that. And the happier I am, the more I'm going to give you, right? All right. Also, go to Facebook. Just go, yes, I want to be a fan of this Facebook page. When you do that, you're advertising for us. Even though you're not doing anything, it's sitting on your page. Someone may come along and say, oh, who is this? That's how we get, networked. So we appreciate everything you've done for us thus far, and please continue to do so. Refer your friends, and let's go make some money.